Hello, I'm doing a Nepenthes, hello, I'm doing a Nepenthes unboxing video. This video is recorded about 2 weeks after the cabinet tour video. That's why these plants and a Veitchii won't be included in that video. I unboxed the Veitchii last week, but I'm probably not going to upload that video since it was really short. But, oh well. I might just redo the cabinet tour. Yeah, I'll probably do that. So this will be uploaded first, never mind. Ignore that. So, unboxing 3 plants from Scotland Carnivorous here. And you'll see what they are when I open it. I've already removed my address from the top because I don't want that being shown off. So let's get to unboxing. Let's move this. Get some hoodie. Okay, good. You know, I'm just going to cut this off. I don't want both sides falling open at once. Being unsafe is great. Oh my god. You know, I didn't need the knife for this. There we go. I'll probably need it to unbox each individual plant. Like corners sellotaped. Okay. Let's see what we've got. That's just receipt. Okay. First plant. Oh, it is the slight clone. I thought it was the multiple. That doesn't matter. I just wanted one. I'll show you. All of these are Borneo exotic plants, by the way. The only plant I own right now that isn't Borneo exotics is a Platykyla cross Lowii. What's seed grown. Bit boring. I want some exotica plants. I know there's a bunch of best way to put it, controversy, I guess, around them. And I agree with a lot of stuff. They're not really the best, arguably, but they got nice plants. And at the end of the day, I don't really care. I don't really care about the person. I just want nice plant. Yeah. Where do I? Here we go. Just trying to hunt for where to open it. Bubble wrap gone. So, this will be my 16th plant, I think, or is it 17th? I don't know. I don't own a lot of Nepenthes. I'm pretty sure I own more succulents, and it's funny. That because I started carnivores a year before succulents. I'm not the biggest on succulents, so. Ooh. Oh, nice, it's already got red. That fell on the floor. Ooh, it's very red. No way, that can't be Mira. I think this is one of the others. Alright. Well then. I think he's put the wrong tag on the wrong plant. Unless, wait, no, I'm pretty sure Mira can be like it. Oh well, we'll see. Is supposedly Nepenthes Mira, one of the plants I ordered. I don't think it is Mira, I think it's one of the other plants I ordered, but we'll see. I really like the look of it. Alright, where's the box? Plant number 2. Put the knife over there for now. Alright. Now. Take the label off. This is... I don't know why I even tried hiding it and make it reveal. Because it's going to be in the title. This is a Nepenthes Peltata. I'm pretty sure this is a Peltata. I'm not sure, but it looks like one. I've never seen a Mira be that red. Like, in pictures maybe, but leaves? I'm not sure. Oh, the bud's broken that leaf. Oh. Oh well. Alright, okay. See, this looks more like a mirror. I can already see the green leaves. Get lots of bubble wrap with this, it's great. Play with that. Ugh. Where is the opening? There we go. Oh, don't know why I held it so high. See, this is more mirror-like. Sorry, I keep going really high pitched, it's just a habit. Oh, I think the leaf broke a little. No? Yes? Mayhaps? Oh, mouldy. Oh, that's not mould, is it? I'm a little confused. Alright. Very nice. Oh, that's cute. I forgot how much I like Mira. I originally got it because of friends keep telling me to get it. And they couldn't grow it themselves because they're bad. Anyways, supposedly Peltata. I believe this is the Mira. Cute little guy. The whole plant. It's a bit larger than I thought. This feels more like a medium. I'm happy with that. I'm pretty sure, also I will say, it's got sellotape on it right now. But I'm pretty sure all these plants are potted in Carnivorous and Akadama. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I probably said that really wrong. Please don't bully me. And... ooh. Okay. Anyways. This should be the other Peltata. Nice and... Got a tag here. Oh yeah, the Peltatas. I ordered 2 because they're Borneo Exotics 4025. Yep. And it's a mass release, and I have had friends order 2 and get wildly different ones. So I hope I get a similar sort of thing. If not, that's still fine. I wouldn't mind having 2. But I may sell one for the price I bought it, or maybe keep it for a month and sell it for a little more. I don't know. This sellotape is annoying me. There is so much sellotape. Ah! Okay, there we go. Just lift it up. Taking the shirt off. It's a plant shirt. Plant hoodie. Anyways. Also, I will say the hoodie choice was intentional. I have a hoodie as well with succulents on it. I'm going to use that for succulent unboxing videos. Oh my god, there is more sellotape. I am about to go away. Okay. Cool. Vamos. Ugh. So I'm bad at English commentary. I think that's the word. I'm just not that good at it. I don't know what to say a lot of the times. Don't know what people want to hear. If I'm interesting or not. Probably not. But if you know. Oh, this better have pictures. Oh, good, it does. Thought it didn't for a second. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, it does. Never mind. Sorry. Looks fairly similar to the other right now. Oh, that's an unopened picture. Lovely. Oh, there is packaging flying everywhere. It's a bit windy. Peltata number 2. So, only got this unopened picture right now. I'm developing one. I really like the leaves on Peltata. Well, I'm going to take the sellotape off and show you these in more detail. Oh, you little... And here they are. Voice crack. Turns out the Mira was in Sphagnum plus Akadama plus Perlite. The Peltatas are both in Carnivorous, Akadama and Perlite. Looks nice. So there we go. Just individual look at each plant. Oh. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Next will be a cabinet tour video.